Mounting your K-tag properly is important. Where and how it's placed can either strengthen the signal or cause the tag to misread. And depending on if you have a hard case or motorcycle sticker tag, you'll need to mount it differently. If you're using a motorcycle sticker tag, which is different from our other sticker K-tag, here's what you'll need to do. Peel the clear plastic coating off the back of the K-tag. Place the tag horizontally onto any plastic surface, including a motorcycle windshield, fairing, or helmet. Mounting the tag on plastic helps boost the signal strength. Avoid placing it on metal surfaces or in bags that contain metal, as this may prevent your tag from reading. Carefully press firmly around the edges of the tag to secure it to the surface. Do not move the sticker tag once it's mounted. Doing so will damage it and prevent it from working in the future. If you are using a hard case tag, you can place it in a tank bag, handlebar bag, or fork bag. Placing the tag as horizontally as possible will help it read more accurately. Avoid placing hard case tags in bags that contain metal, like saddlebags. And that's it. You're all set to save time and money. Thank you for using the Kansas Turnpike.